All right. Well, let's see. This guy, we've got, let's look at our forces. We're pivoting about this point here, right? So we've got 16 times 9.8. Let's say the G is 9.81, right? So here we've got 16 times G, and that's at, let's see, the 16 kilogram box is 5 meters long. So the force would act in the middle of that box. So that means it would be 2.5 meters from that side. And then this force here, this F here is acting 4 meters, right? So that's at 4 meters. The force of gravity on this guy, 56G, is at halfway through the beam because that's the force of gravity on the beam. We just say that it acts at the center. So that's at 6 meters. And then this guy, the force of gravity on this guy, is 24G, and that's at, well, now this is higher math. The beam is 12 meters long. This box is 3.2 meters wide, so is it 1.6? What is 12 minus 1.6? Is that 10.4? 12 minus 1.6, 10.4. So that's at 10.4 meters from the side. Okay, so I think we're set. Let's just set up our torque equations. This guy is going to be positive. That's clockwise. This guy is going to be negative. This torque will tend to twist it that way, so that's negative. Another positive torque and another positive torque. So my torque expression, so you just look at this hinge, you look at the forces, and you decide if it spins it anti-clockwise, it's negative. If it spins it clockwise, then it's positive. Okay, so we've got 2.5 plus 2.5 times 16 times G. G is 9.81. I'm just too lazy to write it all out. Okay, minus 4F plus 6 meters times, ignore that, times 56G. Okay, and then plus 10.4 times 24G. And all of that is 0. Let's just check it. So this guy is at 2.5 clockwise. That's the sole anti-clockwise force, right? That's why it's going to be so big. It's acting pretty close to the hinge. Let's see. And then this guy is clockwise again and clockwise. All right, so let's just do our maths. I'm going to bust this out. I'm going to go parentheses, all the things that don't, all the terms that don't have this in it, right? So 2.5 times 16 plus 6 times 56 plus 10.4 times 24, right parenthesis, times 9.81. Okay, and then I guess I divide by 4. Boom. 1534.28. Yippee, yippee. The fact that it's positive means that it's up, right? Yep, yep.